if g of x equals negative 3 over x, find the average rate of change between x equals 3 and x equals 3 plus h. Now remember, average rate of change. It's the slope in a certain area. Well, for slope, we need 2 points, right? Remember the formula for slope? It is the y minus y over x minus x. I need 2 points. I need 2 x and y's. They gave me an x equals 3. They gave me an x equals 3 plus h. Where are my y's? Well, let's find our y's. Our first point, if x is 3, that's what they told me, then g of x, g at 3 is going to equal negative 3 over x, which in this case happens to be 3. So when I plug in 3 for x, g at 3 is a negative 1. And that's my first point. But I need 2 points. The next point, my x, they want to be 3 plus h. It's not 3, it's not h, it is 3 plus h. So, g at 3 plus h is going to equal negative 3 over 3 plus h. That is my y. G at 3 plus h. That's just your y when you plug in 3 plus h for x. Is this fun or what? Those are my 2 points. Okay, here's my formula for slope. So this could be my first x and y, my first point. This could be my second x and y. It doesn't matter which order I go with. I'm going to start with the second point. So it's going to be the y minus the other y over the x minus the other x. Now let's do a little bit of work. Let me make some room because this is a big problem. Okay, in the numerator, I will have negative 3 over 3 plus h. And this minus a negative, that will be a positive 1. In the denominator, I'm going to have 3 plus h minus 3, which would simply be h. Wow, would you look at this problem? This is the average rate of change, actually. I just need to simplify it. I have a fraction within a fraction. A quick review. If I have 2/3 divided by 1/5, I know that looks ugly, but isn't that just 2/3 divided by 1/5? Same thing, right? Which is 2/3 instead of divide, you multiply by the reciprocal, correct? Remember those days? We do this the same way. And I'm going to take the numerator, negative 3 over 3 plus h plus 1. I'm supposed to take this and divide it by h. Isn't it the same thing as multiplying by 1 over h? Let's do a little distributive property. I'll have negative 3 over h times 3 plus h plus 1 over h times 1 is just 1 over h. In order to add these, I need a common denominator. I need h and 3 plus h. This one already has it. So I will have negative 3 over, I'm not changing anything on that one. On the second one, that will be my common denominator between the two. I have h, but I need a 3 plus h. So in the numerator, I can't just change 1 over h to this just because it's my birthday. Whatever I do to the denominator, in order to keep this fraction equal, I will also do it to the numerator. Now we have a common denominator. So all we have to do is add what is in the numerator. So in the numerator, I will have negative 3 plus, and 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times h is h. That is all over that denominator. In the numerator, a negative 3 and a positive 3 will cancel. So I will have h divided by h times 3 plus h. Now this is h times 3 plus h. I can separate those. Those will cancel. And my answer is 1 over 3 plus h. So the average rate of change was not the hard part in that. The hard part, adding those fractions.